the national disaster, which has affected several households across the country, pose a great threat to so many citizens in the country. And to be frank, this national disaster require collective responsibility to extend supports to affected homes. I just took a walk to a certain affected village a few weeks ago, and the level of their vulnerability was actually bad. I could not believe the situation people are in, you know. And as a citizen of one country, you must feel the pain feeling other fellows, our brothers and sisters. This is not a case to be addressed by governments or NGOs alone. It is a case that needs all peoples who stay in this country to put their hands together with other agencies and the government so that we can help the people. I just put this online here so that other peoples who have a good heart to help the affected people can come across it. I have the pictures of flood affected homes, and if there is anyone who needs those pictures, you can tell me in comments. I'll send it to you and you will have a look on how those people are affected. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this short video. I will update you more if I take a walk to other village to assess their problem facing them. I have seen our governments stepping up efforts to help the damaged homes and the affected people. And we also need, as individuals who stay in this country, with the good hearts to help the people facing this problem. We need also raise our voice and do something these affected people to also get something. I'm Peter Kuom, South Sudanese national. Yeah, thank you very much. If there is anything you would like to share, please put it, comment there, and I will give you feedbacks. Thank you very much.